Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and somebody downloaded a font off DA Fonts that I talk about a lot, and they said it's missing the comma, and they really want to use the font. And the font they use, they told me, and I went and got it. Beautiful font. It looks like it's handwritten with a magic marker in some of the part. I don't know if how it's going to engrave, but might engrave quite well. But as you can see, if we go back to Arial, there's a comma right there, and it doesn't have it in that font. For some reason, they didn't include a comma. Well, to do that, all you do is get your text tool, click on the right side of it, and just highlight it. And then whatever you change, you're going to change it to another font, and you can look to see what the commas look like, which one you want to use. And you could use any of them. You can see that one doesn't have one. That one has a flame, so you don't want to use that. But if you want to use, something like impact, now your font has that comma. Now you could always, change it and everything. Now that doesn't probably match up with this. I'd use a different comma. But the good thing with it is still a font, so you could still text a path because it's still a font. So we're going to go text a path and put it on that path. And for some reason, there we go. This font's a little crazy. It's not a perfect, doesn't like just go there as quick as other fonts. I guess there's a lot going on with it. But it's still a cool font. And, well, that looks fuzzy. There we go. And you can see the commas there. And now you could probably change that comma and make it look more like, well, the T is pretty much solid, but you could change that and make it any comma you wanted, beforehand. Anyway, hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.